Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to set up the Nova bot on Telegram in 2025 step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to search NovaBot, and once you are in here, you should click this NovaBot official website and just open Telegram desktop. Once you have clicked that, you should just click start and just click continue. And once that's done, go to menu, and once you have clicked continue, you can see and it has been set up. As you can see, you can buy, position, wallet, sniper, limited orders, copy trade, AFK, auto buy, Nova click, referrals, settings, and refresh. Refresh button is just to refresh this page, and the settings button is just to see the settings in your Nova bot. Now, if you wanted to buy a crypto, is you just have to copy addresses from any crypto in web browsers and just click buy, and as you can see, it will message you to please send a token address. So you just have to copy the address and just paste it in here, and that's it. And that is just how you open your NovaBot in your Telegram. Just go to Chrome and search for Nova, and just do the things that I've did to verify your account, and that's it. And make sure you have the account for Telegram. And thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.